Samsung is about to make foldables feel normal, and the leaked Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide might be the reason. If you've ever looked at a foldable and thought, amazing idea, but that outer screen is too narrow, Samsung's new direction could be exactly what you've been waiting for. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 series is rumored to launch in mid-2026 with two models, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. And based on the leaks so far, this is not just a refresh, it's a clear attempt to reshape how people choose a foldable phone. So here's what's reportedly coming. What's different between the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide versus Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and which one might actually be worth your money? First, the big headline, the Wide branding isn't just marketing. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is expected to lean into a wider, more practical shape that makes the cover display feel closer to a normal smartphone. That matters more than most specs, because the #1 complaint about book-style foldables has always been usability when closed. If Samsung truly makes the Fold 8 Wide shorter and wider, it changes the day-to-day experience. Typing, scrolling, watching videos, using maps, replying to messages, everything becomes easier without having to unfold the device every time. And that's why this design shift could change everything for Samsung's foldable lineup. It targets the biggest friction point, keeping mainstream buyers from switching. Now, Samsung isn't just launching one fold this year. The leak points to a two-model strategy. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide for people who want the foldable experience at a lower price, and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra for buyers who want the most premium foldable Samsung can build. It's a smart move, because foldables are no longer a one-size-fits-all category. Some people want value. Others want the best possible hardware, no compromises. Let's talk cameras, because this is where Samsung is clearly separating the Wide and Ultra models. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is rumored to stick with a familiar camera setup, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel selfie camera. That's a solid configuration for everyday photography, great for travel shots, social media, family photos, and general video. But there's a major detail that will matter to a lot of people. The Fold 8 Wide is expected to skip a telephoto lens. If you take a lot of zoom photos, concerts, sports, portraits with optical zoom, distant subjects, that missing telephoto could be the one spec that makes the Wide feel like a value model. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, on the other hand, is rumored to jump to a massive 200-megapixel main camera sensor, along with improved ultra-wide performance and a better selfie camera experience. That 200-megapixel headline is built for people who want ultra-detailed images, better cropping flexibility, and sharper video capture. It's also the kind of spec that makes the Ultra easier to market as the ultimate foldable, especially for creators. But here's the surprise. Even the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is rumored to have no telephoto lens. If that ends up being true, it's a bold decision. Samsung may be prioritizing a cleaner internal design, thinner build goals, or cost allocation toward the Wide redesign and premium materials. Still, for many buyers, no telephoto on an ultra-tier phone is going to be a hot topic. Next up is performance, and the leaks suggest both models go all in here. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra are both expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. That's the kind of chip that's designed for heavy multitasking, serious mobile gaming, on-device AI features, and the whole point of a foldable, doing more than you'd ever do on a normal phone. If you're the type of person who keeps multiple apps open, runs split screen, edits photos, uses DeX-like workflows, or treats your phone like a pocket computer, this processor choice is exactly what you want to hear. Battery is another key difference, and it's subtle, but it could matter a lot depending on how you use your phone. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is rumored to include a 4800 mAh battery. That should be plenty for typical daily use: email, messaging, browsing, camera, moderate gaming, and lots of cover screen time. But foldables can be power-hungry, especially if you're using the large inner display for video, multitasking, or high brightness. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is rumored to step up to a 5000 mAh battery. On paper, that doesn't look like a massive jump, but in real life, it can be the difference between I'm fine and I'm hunting for a charger late in the day. If you travel a lot, attend conferences, shoot video, or spend long hours on mobile data, that extra capacity is exactly the kind of upgrade that justifies an Ultra model. Now let's talk about the look and feel, because Samsung is reportedly using design to separate these two phones as much as specs. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is expected to arrive in a dark green color option, giving it a clean, modern, slightly understated premium vibe. It sounds like Samsung wants the Fold 8 Wide to be the smart buy, stylish, practical, and easy to recommend. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is expected to lean harder into premium materials and exclusive finishes, the kind of touches that signal, "This is the best one." That usually means more refined build details, potentially better frame materials, and the kind of aesthetic upgrades that don't show up on a spec sheet but absolutely show up in your hand and in your pocket. And then there's pricing, because this is where the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide could become Samsung's most important foldable in years. Leaks suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide could be priced around $200 to $300 less than the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. That gap matters because foldables already sit in a premium category, and shaving even a couple $100s can be the difference between maybe someday and I'll buy it this year. If Samsung can deliver the wider, more usable design at a lower price, the Fold 8 Wide could become the model that drives volume, especially for people switching from a normal flagship phone. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is clearly designed for a different buyer. The person who wants the most advanced Samsung Foldable, the highest resolution main camera, the biggest battery, and the most premium build, regardless of price. So which one should you be paying attention to? If your biggest issue with foldables has always been the skinny cover display, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide could be the most meaningful upgrade in the entire Fold lineup, not because it's the most expensive, but because it's the most practical. It sounds like Samsung is finally prioritizing the everyday closed phone experience, and that's exactly how you win over mainstream buyers. If you care most about camera performance, premium hardware, and battery endurance, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is shaping up to be the power user's foldable, especially with that rumored 200 megapixel main camera and 5000 mAh battery. Just keep an eye on the telephoto situation, because if there truly isn't a zoom lens on the Ultra, some buyers may hesitate. And here's the bigger picture. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 series looks like Samsung's attempt to simplify the foldable decision into two clear choices: value and practicality with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, or maximum premium with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. That's a stronger strategy than trying to make one fold that pleases everyone.